Hello friends, welcome to Simple Mechatronics. Some of our friends sent queries regarding lithium-ion battery charging using this circuit. For lithium-ion phosphate batteries, the output voltages are set as 3.8, 7.6, 11.4, and optional 12 volts. The charging voltage and current are displayed on digital panel meter as charging status indicator. The lithium-ion cells are available in 2000 mAh or more capacity, with nominal voltage as 3.6 volts. Some lithium-ion cells are available with protection circuit board to protect it against overcharging and short circuit. The lithium-ion cells are marked with sizes 18650, which indicates 18 mm diameter, 65 mm long, polarities positive and negative on either ends. So, the circuit is to be modified for charging 3 lithium-ion cells in series. The 3 separate cells may be connected in series or connected in a single pack as battery. First, remove the cover of the cabinet along with the lithium-ion phosphate battery box. Then, disconnect all connecting wires from the cabinet one by one. Then, separate the battery box from the cover. Now, switch on the power supply and check the earlier voltages. Then, adjust the trim pots to get the required voltages for lithium-ion charging. That is, multiples of 4.1 to 4.2 volts. Here, the trim pots are set to get outputs as 4.1, 8.2 and 12.3 volts. There is no change in fixed 12 volts output. Now, the cabinet cover may be closed using the screws. When you switch on the power supply, the maximum voltage, 12.3 volts, is displayed. A 4-pin relay connector is used here, which maintains correct polarity once connected to charger. A 3-in-1 lithium-ion battery, connected in series, 11.1 nominal voltage, is used here for testing the circuit. A 4-pin connector is available with the battery for charging. If the 4-pin matching connector is not available, then use the 4-pin relay connector for charging. The 4-pin relay male connector may be permanently fitted on the battery connector with proper polarity as foolproof while connecting for charging. 3 numbers of 1 ohm, 5 watt resistors are used as current limiters. You may connect 2 numbers of 2.2 ohm, 3 watt resistors in parallel if 1 ohm resistor is not available. The resistors may be connected inside or outside the cabinet. Now, the 3 resistors are connected to the free ends of relay connector, as shown here. The 4th one is ground wire, without any resistor. The free ends of resistors and ground wire are connected to the cabinet's strip connector, parallelly and sequentially. When you join the male and female relay connector with correct polarity, matching with the ground wires, as shown here, the display shows the voltage of lithium-ion battery. Now, with these changes, you may charge lithium-ion batteries. This is the updated circuit diagram for charging 3 lithium-ion cells in series. You may observe the changes with respect to lithium-ion phosphate charger are highlighted here. The circuit diagrams for charging 3 and 4 lithium-ion cells in series are available at the Simple Mechatronics website. Press like button if you liked this video and subscribe for more projects. Now, switch on the power supply. The battery voltage and charging current are displayed continuously. More discharged battery draws more current initially. As the battery voltage increases, the charging current decreases and takes much time for full charging. Once the charging current displayed is less than 20 milliamps, means the battery is about 95% charged. Thanks for watching the video. More explanation and more videos are available at Simple Mechatronics website. Links for other projects are available at description below. Bye friends, see you in the next project.